Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I've got something pretty exciting to announce today. Many of you have already heard, but want to make sure that the word gets out to everybody about the Yankee Stacking Boomerang Box that's going to be happening, and the process has already begun. So this is a really fantastic idea. It's going to be a lot of fun. So why don't we go ahead and take a look? Okay, as you can see, I've got this video on the screen. This is a video from Yankee Stacking's YouTube channel. It's called the Yankee Box Silver Giveaway, as you can see at the top there. And this is Yankee explaining about this boomerang box and what he's going to do with it. And I'm happy to announce that I'm part of this process. I will be one of the people receiving this boomerang box. And I will be putting in some awesome silver to be sent on to the next person. And this is going to be a lot of fun, a lot of great fun. And we have 26 other channels besides myself involved in this. And we'll give you some details about it down below here in the description as far as where to find this comment video. And also a link to a map from all the different places it's going to be sent to. And so let's go ahead and see what Yankee has to say.
Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching Yankee Stacking. And it's been a tough time to try to get videos out, but I wanted to return and reboot my channel with a bang. So what better way of doing that than with a giveaway, right? So this is the entry video for the Yankee Box.
So as you can see, like I just mentioned, this is the entry video for the Yankee Box. So it's really important that you click on the link below if you want to be part of this and go comment on this video. Now, I would think you'd want to do this because, as you're going to see, this is going to be a very, very cool box that's going to be sent around. This is going to be one of those epic events that is going to be so cool and so awesome, and have so many great community members' hands on it. This is going to be something you want to be part of. So let's continue on and see what he has to say.
And I'm so super excited to do this. This is my very first boomerang box. I've been a part of two cool boomerang boxes in the past. Back in October of 2018, it was sponsored by North Country Off Grid. And then another one just recently by Silver Dragons called the Dragon Box. And they were a lot of fun. But I wanted to do one on my own in 2020. Partially in celebration of hitting 5,000 subscribers, which I'm still in awe of. But, just because I appreciate the community so much, I thought this would be so much fun.
So that's it right there. We are doing this because of how much we appreciate the community. The YouTube community has been so good to all of us, supports all of us, watches our videos, comes to our live streams, engages with us, has a lot of fun with us. And like Yankee said, he's got over 5,000 subscribers now. Wow, such a short amount of time. The success Yankee has had on his channel has been incredible. And it's rightly deserved. Yankee is a great guy. He's a great teacher, a great speaker, a great storyteller. And he's fun to listen to. He's got great videos. So I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you. And I appreciate the community. And that's why I'm part of this boomerang box as well.
Yeah. If you don't know what a boomerang box is, well, it's not necessarily a box, but in this case it is. It's just a fun, exciting way to show appreciation to our incredible precious metal and coin collecting YouTube community. So what happens is I put a smattering of silver, and maybe copper or whatnot, into a box. In this case, it happens to be a very patriotic box. Look at that. And it holds my constitutional silver. I received it from Mel's Coin Corner back in January of 2019. Yeah, he was the winner of my quarter ounce gold giveaway I held when I hit 1,000 subscribers, and he just sent this to me. Yeah.
So what a great way to store your constitutional silver, huh? That box is just so cool with that flag and stars and stripes on there. I really, really like that box a lot. And the video starts out with Yankee dumping all the constitutional silver out that's below the box. But some of us on the inside know that Yankee keeps his $50 in a different box, a guardhouse box, but shh, don't tell anybody. But how cool is that to store your constitutional silver in, huh?
Nice. But anyways, all right, back to the Yankee box. I put some medals in here, and then I mail this entire box to someone in our community. Then they open it. Hopefully, they make a video of the opening so everybody can see what was put in there, right? And then they take something out and put something equivalent in value back into the box. And maybe some more back into the box, right? Then it goes to the next person in line. This continues until the last person in line sends the Yankee box back to me. And then comes the giveaway. The gaw. The winner will receive everything in the box.
Now, is that just incredible or what? Can you believe that? This box is going to be sent around to all these different channels, over 24 of them, and it's going to be received back with all these different things put in there from these channels. How cool is that going to be? And boy, that last couple people that have to ship this box out, this box is going to be heavy and it's going to have a lot of great stuff in it. So what a great idea. I'm very excited to be part of this process, but let's continue on.
How's that, huh? Now, as I said, the Yankee box is my first boomerang box. And I wanted it to be beyond anything anyone had ever done with a boomerang box. Okay? So, we have a total of 27 people, including myself, 27 YouTube silver stackers and coin collectors taking part in this, I'd say, epic event. I know epic is overused a lot. That word is thrown around, but guys, we're talking about sending this box over 15,000 miles to people all around North America. 15,000 miles.
Wow, can you believe that? 15,000 miles. And make sure you click below on the map because it shows the journey of where this box is going. But this is absolutely incredible. This is going to be really cool.
That's I think that's over like 2/3 the way around the world. I think that may qualify as epic. Okay. And that means it's going to take a while, guys and gals. By my rough calculation, it could take until the 4th of July before I get this back and do a live stream giveaway event on my channel. Is that crazy? Is that crazy, guys? I mean, okay, maybe it is. Is it risky? Well, I don't know, maybe, but I trust these channels that are taking part in this Yankee Box, Boomerang Box. I trust them more than I do the U.S. and Canadian Postal Service, that's for sure. But I think we're going to be just fine. Let's just hope and pray this little box of mine makes it all the way home. All right, so you're like, okay, blah, blah, blah. Yankee, this sounds amazing. How do I enter?
So yeah, let's check this out. Pay attention to how to enter here. It's really pretty simple. But make sure you follow the rules here because I don't want you to be disqualified because you missed something here. So let's see what Yankee has to say.
What are the rules? Glad you asked. All right. Put that over here. To be eligible for the GAW, you got to do 3 things. Okay. I really wanted to keep it simple. I mean, no shout-out videos. Unless you want to. I'm not going to say don't do one, but I'm not going to require a shout-out video. I'm not saying you got to share this video with 40 of your friends, although you can if you want. Nope. The first thing you got to do is like this video. All right? That's pretty simple. Just, hit the like button. That's step number 1. Number 2, you got to leave at least one comment explaining what you would do with a Yankee box full of silver and possibly other metals too. I'm just saying. No, I'm not going to put the Yankee cannon in there, but we'll see, okay? But you got to put a comment saying, what would you do, okay, with a Yankee box full of silver? And, multiple comments are welcome, but only one comment will count. And it has to say that, all right, guys? Just don't say, hey, great job, Yankee, or congratulations. No. You got to put what you would do with a box full of silver, all right?
All right, so let's make sure we do what he says there. It's not good enough just to comment, say great video or whatever. He wants you to say what you would do with a box full of silver. So pretty easy to do, but let's make sure we don't miss that step.
That's 2. The third thing, the last thing you got to do is you got to subscribe to all the participants in the Yankee box. Yeah, that's right. You have to go to all 27 channels, including mine, and subscribe to them. Now, they may even verify that you actually did that for me. So make sure you visit each and every one of them and show them some love, guys. I'd hate to disqualify anybody. So, now, as far as channels go, some of them are really big, well known in our community, and I'm sure most of you have long since subscribed to them. But there are some that are small, trying to grow, because I really wanted to help some smaller channels. And you might not know them as well. So to make it really...
So, you guys will start by placing 2 feet flat on the floor, which is just great ergonomics. Next, you'll notice the up arrow, so that's the side that goes up. So you wrap the back pad around...
Easy for everyone. I've done something else that I am super excited about. Something I believe is completely unique with the Boomerang Box. I've made a Google map with a heart icon showing roughly where every participant in this adventure lives. I say roughly. I mean, it's not their exact address, but roughly where they're at. And if you touch or click those hearts on the map, you'll see their YouTube channel link.
So how cool is that, huh? I believe that is unique. I don't think I've seen that before. Yankee built this Google map, and like you said, all you have to do is click on it. You can go to their channel, to each person's channel, and easily subscribe. He made it very easy, and also, look at this cool map that you get to see where it's going. All the way from British Columbia out to Hawaii, East Coast, West Coast, North, South. I mean, how cool is this? This is going to be really fun.
How easy is that? And as the Yankee Box moves along the journey around North America, I'll update its location with that red chest icon right there on the map. See? How cool is that, right? All right, so I'll put the link to this Yankee Box travel map, let's call it, in the description of this video. Okay, that's where you'll find it. That's where you're going to find the map. That's where you'll find all the channels. Okay, and speaking of video descriptions, a lot of you out there don't seem to know about those. A video description. So a video description is where content creators put really valuable information. Like the Yankee Box map, right? And I get asked all the time, what's your email, Yankee? What's your PayPal? What's your mailing address? It's all in the video descriptions. So look for the upside down triangle if you're using the YouTube app on like a mobile device, or click Show More when watching the video in a browser window. That's how you get to the video descriptions. Okay, and you can read them. You'll find some really important information in there. In fact, you'll also find some other cool links that I've put in my description to various items that I use for creating videos, for stacking, and even my prepping. I put the links in there. They're really cool. It's all right there in the description. So, what are you waiting for, right? Like, comment, subscribe. That's it, guys, okay? And keep an eye out for the Yankee Box. It's going to be a lot of fun. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching Yankee Stacking, and I hope your day is A-OK.
So yeah, as you can see, this is going to be cool. Epic, outstanding, fantastic, call it what you will. We are going to have a lot of fun with this, and somebody is going to win this box. So pretty cool, huh? Well, that's it. I just wanted to take a minute to make my announcement, let people know about this Yankee Boomerang Box. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.